Wait, what do I say? This is Atisa Manalo and Sawadee Ka, Thailand. Okay. Bakit tumawa? This is Atisa Manalo, Sawadee Ka, Thailand. Well, I was invited to go to Mr. International to do a hosting. This is my first international hosting. And then also on the 24th, I'm gonna visit the Miss Universe headquarters, do a little bit of interview, and then there's a photo shoot scheduled also. Hopefully I get to meet Kun An and Nawat and everyone in the organization. I'm very excited! This is my third time going to Thailand, and I'm excited to see if it has changed a lot. I'm excited to eat their food also. I'm excited to see what is new in Thailand. Yeah. Alam mo. This is handled by the styling team, and actually there has been a few mishaps along the way, but it always happens, you know. Whenever you prepare for something, there would always be things that doesn't go your way, but I'm sure that my styling team has planned it, has already solved whatever it is that we need to do. I come home 26. So, mabilis lang. I'm really just there for the hosting and visiting the headquarters. I'm very excited to see, but I created a group chat already amongst all of us. But you know, I only know them by name. They're not yet the face. I'm very excited. May nakita ko, may nag-repost, pero di ko sabihin ka sino. Ganun lang, yun lang. Okay. Wait, what do I say? This is Atisa Manalo and Sawadee Ka, Thailand. Okay. Go. Bakit tumawa? This is Atisa Manalo, Sawadee Ka, Thailand.